Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a comparison between Jobber and Copilot, two strong contenders in the field service software space for 2025. If you're running a service business and want to know which platform fits your need base, I'll break down their key features, pros, and cons to help you decide. Jobber is known for its intuitive design and all-around functionality. It helps you manage scheduling, invoicing, and client communication with ease. The mobile app keeps your team connected on the go, and the automation tools help reduce admin tasks like sending reminders and collecting payments. Jobber's integration with accounting software also makes bookkeeping smoother. Copilot, on the other hand, it focuses on heavily on real-time field operation and GPS tracking. It offers live dispatching, team coordination, and detailed job tracking, making it great for business that rely on the tight field management. Copilot's communication tools keep your crew informed instantly, and its reporting features provided insights to improve efficiency. While Jobber is great for small to mid-sized teams wanting a user-friendly, all-in-one solution, the Copilot excels with a robust operational control for larger or more complex field teams. Pricing-wise, Jobber tends to be more affordable for growing businesses, whereas Copilot may appeal more to companies needing advanced field management features like are willing to invest accordingly. So if you want an easy-to-use platform that covers scheduling and client management, Jobber is a solid pick. But if your priority is a real-time team coordination and field operation control, Copilot could be the better fit. And thanks for watching. If this helps you decide between Jobber and Copilot, be sure to like, leave your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more field service software comparison. Catch you in the next video.